Hello, my name is George Escola, and in this video I'm going to review my progress in the Success Challenge for Affiliate Marketing from the 4%. But first I want to cover a couple quick items from Session 3 that I missed. The first of those items is the global settings are found up here in the top menu. And the global settings here will allow you to adjust various fonts for different things so that every time you open a page, the fonts will be already set up for you. So if you adjust your heading font, you can see that it adjusts the headings. It'll also adjust the subheadings. But you can also adjust the other fonts on the page. And if you scroll down here, you can adjust the padding. You can add an image for a background. You can also set standard for your button. So that's basically all your global settings. Then when you add a new page, those settings will automatically be there. Now, you can go to any individual section. So you can have custom sizes even though you have global settings set up. So the other thing that I wanted to cover real quickly was the blog. We were trying to add a blog last time and we're not able to. The blog exists up here at your modules. The way to add a blog is to go here to your site navigator, click on there, and over here, if you go to this, you can see that here's the blog here. The way I added this blog was to add a new link here. And then eStage blog, you can find that in the menu here. And then if you add this, say we wanted another blog, blog 2, we can add this, add an item, and then here in the menu, here's blog 2. Well, we don't want it that way, so let's go over here. We can do the editing over here. We can add that. We can do the editing when we have it the way we want. I can save that. Okay, so that's there. Save this. We can add that as a link too. And we can add that. And then here in the navigation, we can go here. And we can move this around. The way you do that is you just grab this and you move it. So if you want this blog 2 to be down here, you can move it down here. And then if you want to get rid of this, you can delete it over here. And it says you want to do that, and you can delete it. So that's how you do the menu, and that's how you add pages. We'll go over here to see what's in Session 4. In Session 4, we've covered the previous sessions in other videos, so you can go watch those on my blog. Session 4 is position, copy, and leverage our website. We're building our home on the internet using eStage. Here, Vic gave us a checkpoint, which is just to make sure that we had done all the important things in the previous section. And then Beck went through his blog in some detail, and I won't take you through that, but he was telling us how he set it up and why he set it up. And then we go on to other videos here on each page, so that here you create your home page, here you do the About page, the blog page, resource page, and then he had the contact page, and finally here's a mindset video that helps us adjust our mindset. He's been having one of those in each of these sessions, and this one is a particularly good one. I won't go through it here, but if you take the Success Challenge for Affiliate Marketing, I recommend that you do all those and many times. I try to do this particular one every day. So now let's go look at my hub, my home on the internet. This is it, our freedom path, winning together. In the top here, I lead off with a video, and we help people start and grow their dream business online. Short section, what it's about. Here's a button. If you watch the video, it'll tell you to click the button. Take a free masterclass, Vic's masterclass on affiliate marketing for entrepreneurs. And then here I'm giving away a free gift, which is the 4% mass traffic blueprint. And so anyone who wants that can get that. And then here's a section about me. Hi, I'm George Escola. A little bit about my story, and then if you click on here, it'll take you to the About page. We'll go to that one next. There's 3 pillars you need to build a successful business. So this is something that Vic had on his page, and it looked good, so I put it on mine. Here's another path to the Affiliate Marketing Success Challenge, and so this is another way to get there. And then here is a way to get to another company, 7K Metals, which is not 4%. It is a separate business all by itself. We are cooperating with this business. And to learn more, you can click on this button. Here I've got some testimonials that I took from Trustpilot, about 4%. And so here's different members in 4% and what they have to say. Now here is the bottom section, another menu down here where I have all the legal documents are here, and I brought my contact page down here too. Okay, so we'll come back to that later. And in the meantime, we'll go back up here to the top, and we'll go to the About page. So here we are on the About Me page, and this is just a little more of my story, how I got into affiliate marketing. And so there's a story up and a story down, and a breakthrough, and then finally to the good life. This is my wife and I on a beach here in Costa Rica, and down here my mission, my vision. Picture of me and my wife near Lake Bacalar in Mexico. We were there several years ago on a trip. Here's a section about you. This is about me, but how about you? And so here I ask some questions about where do you want to go? What would you like to do? I can help you with this. So, and again, here's a place where you can register your seat to the affiliate marketing masterclass. And so if we go back up to the top, then I will show you my blog. I'm not going to look at any of the blogs, but here's the way I set up my blog. And so here you can see that I've posted several blogs, and I'm adding to this several times a week. So the next section here is products. These are the various products that I present as solutions to people's problems. And so there's the affiliate marketing. There's a YouTube business builder, which is actually an Anthony Morrison product. There's Wealth 123, which is 7K Metals, another company we cooperate with. Mass Traffic Broker, and again, this is a free item that introduces people to not only the Mass Traffic Blueprint, which is a complete blueprint of how you do marketing online, but it also introduces people to the 4% and offers a free membership. 7 Steps to Freedom is the same thing. This offers a free membership to the 4%, and then you get 7 Steps to Freedom along with that. It's a very good course. I highly recommend it. So also under solutions, there are resources. These are tools that people are going to need in their business anyway. Down here on the button is my affiliate link. Using my affiliate link does not cost anybody anything extra, but it does allow me to get a small commission when people by a autoresponder, a tracking program, or any other tool that they need in their business. So here's ClickFunnels, Namecheap, Bluehost, GoDaddy. And then I've got a section here where I can add more as we go. That's the way I have it set up right now. It's obviously a work in progress. And then I have a testimonial section. In here, I have a featured story of a 4%er who has done very, very well for himself. Sid's is in India, and he has built a business in India, mostly with fellow Indians, and he has built it beyond 100,000 per year, and he's now at the $1 million a year mark. So these are videos that anyone can do. This is a video where a person did a product review of the 4%, and then Donald Levette did a very nice video about the 7 steps to freedom. And then down below I offer some more testimonials. These came directly off Trustpilot. These are various 4% members and what they had to say about 4%. Here's another chance to grab the Affiliate Marketing Masterclass and to join that way. But the only other thing is free training, and this would take you to the Affiliate Marketing Masterclass. So that's how I have my hub set up at the moment. You can get here to ourfreedompath.com. So I welcome you to take a look and especially go through the blogs and get the benefit of the value that I've added there. So that's it for this session. That was session 4 of the Success Challenge for Affiliate Marketing. Next time, I will go through section 5, where we're adding to our business, and I'll show you what that's all about next time. I will see you on a future video. Subscribe to the channel and click on the bell so that you'll be notified next time I post a video. I will see you on a future video. Thanks for watching. Bye now.